Hey guys, Jom here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today guys, we're playing with Johnny Minecraft. So yeah, not doing a Disney Pokemon for today because I don't want. So yeah, hope you guys did pretty enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like and yeah. So I'm going to drink this thing. What are you doing right now? Hey, talk you dickhead. No, the beast mode guy. The beast mode guy, heck. Quiet down because I will do something like this. We don't know, but hope he dies. Hope Janine dies. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to build this awesome possum dildo. Okay.
Dildo talaga? Wow.
Yeah. You like dildo, huh? Yeah. Oh, what the heck? You like dildo? Oh, you're a gay. Just kidding. Put it on your butthole. Your stupid bahol. Your bahol, man. Your bahol. This is his house, guys. What are you trying to build? What's this? Jatite. Oh, there. Jatite word.
Ay, nasan ka pa?
I'm just building some kind of dildo. So yeah, I will do later the redstone parting, but yeah, I don't wanna tell you what I'm building because you're dumb. Because you're a dickhead. Just kidding. Hope you're watching this, my friends, my classmates, because we are already in summer. I will miss you guys because you're the only one. He's my friend though. So yeah. Hope both you guys do really appreciate me. Because I will miss you guys. Because it's summer already. Just hide their topi. Yes. Can you please suck my dick? Okay. Hope this works too. Wow, your house is ugly. I can't believe it. That's 10 out of 10. Your house is ugly! I will do it for you guys. This is my April Fool's. April Fool's prank. What the heck? What TNT heck? What? I didn't explode that. I am far away from you. I am far away from you, my friend. Well, GB do that. Well, he's hungry, guys. If you see this in real life, you will die, heck. He's really disappointed because his house destroyed. See, he's beast modding, kicking me. Oh freak, the disconnect world. No! He's just explode this world. Oh freak. No! He's kicking me. Heck! I didn't destroy your world. JB destroyed it earlier. That's not me. Oh, ouch. No, I didn't destroy your world. That's JB. I didn't destroy his world. JB destroyed it earlier. No, afternoon. That's not my fault. I didn't destroy his house. I'm far away from him, 10 meters. So yeah, guys, peace out.